Welcome to the tutorial video for the HS720R. Unboxing. Take out all the content. You can use this card to learn about the functions of each button and scan the QR code to download the app. You can also learn how to take off quickly by following the steps on the back of the card. Scan the QR code on the instruction manual or quick start card to download the app. Then run the app. First-time users may need to sign up or sign in first. You can view the function of each icon here. Tap Gallery to view the content stored on your phone. And tap Account to access your account and flight information. Tap Enter Device and grant the access. Please first tap on the map located in the bottom left corner to cache it. Before your first flight, please remember to fully charge the transmitter and the drone battery. Once they are ready, it's time to enjoy a new flying experience. Please choose an open and wind-free environment to use this product. Unfold the drone. Insert a TF card before turning on the drone. Remove the protective cover following the instructions on the cover. Peel off the protective film. Expand the two antennas on the transmitter before starting the flight. To get the best signal, position the antennas like a triangle, as depicted above on the right. Expand the handle and the phone holder. The user manual and the sticker inside the phone holder explain the various light states. Long press unlock button and the power switch. The indicator light will start flashing. Insert the battery. Turn on the drone and place it on a level surface with its head forward. The drone status indicator will start flashing. It takes about 35 seconds for the transmitter to connect to the drone. The transmitter sends out a long beep when the pairing is done. Place the drone on the level surface and it will enter initialization detection. The drone status indicator will alternate between red, green, and yellow. First time use. The drone status indicator will then flash yellow. Non-first time use. If it's not your first time using the drone, the indicator will be either solid yellow or solid green. Place your mobile phone in the holder. Adjust the clamp to secure your mobile phone. Connect to drone's Wi-Fi. Run the Ophelia Fly app. The drone will perform a mandatory compass calibration before the initial flight. Step 1. Push both of the joysticks down to the bottom right corner at the same time to start the compass calibration. Hold the drone horizontally and rotate it 3 times. When completed, the drone status indicator will flash green slowly. Hold the drone vertically and rotate it 3 times. When completed, the drone status indicator will turn solid green if the GPS signal is strong. Tap the setting icon. You can alter settings for flight height/distance, return altitude, etc. here. You can also start the calibration with the app. The signal between the drone and the transmitter is most reliable when the transmitter is positioned toward the drone. Short press the button to unlock the drone. Short press the button to take off. Or tap the Take Off button in the app. Toggle the speed switch to select different speeds. The camera has a 70 degrees tilt range. You can scroll the wheel to tilt the camera up/down. Short press the button to take a photo. Or tap the camera button in the app. Short press the button to record, again to stop. Or tap the record button in the app. Tap to view photos and videos taken by the drone's camera. Tap to enter camera settings. Short press the button to start the Return Home function. Or tap the button in the app. Short press the button again to exit the RTH procedure and regain control of the drone. Point of interest: the drone will fly around a point. Tap the icon and the drone can automatically follow the pilots according to the GPS positioning of the phone. Tap Fly. Tap on the map first, then tap the Tap Fly icon. Mode 1. Tap the first icon. Draw a line on the screen to create a flight path. Submit the path. The drone will then fly along this path. Mode 2. Tap the second icon, then tap a few points on the screen. Submit the path. The drone will then fly along the path created by connecting the points you tap in order. Hide. Tap to hide the icons on the interface. VR. Tap to split the screen. 180 degrees screen rotation. Free mode. The drone takes a number of photos to generate a time-lapse video. You are free to operate the drone while it's shooting the time-lapse video. Drone mode. Choose angle, set video duration, video playback speed, and flight speed. The drone will fly backward and ascend while taking a time-lapse video. Straight mode. Choose flying direction, set video duration, video playback speed, and flight speed. The drone will fly towards that direction while taking a time-lapse video. Circle mode. Set circle direction, radius, flying time, and video playback speed. The drone will fly in circle while taking a time-lapse video. The first stage of low voltage RDA. The drone will return to 30 meters above the home point. The battery only supports the drone flying in 120 meters altitude and 300 meters range. The second stage of low voltage RDA. The drone will return automatically to the home point. Press and hold the button for 3 seconds. The motors will stop immediately. Keep in mind that the fall may damage the drone. Short press the button to land, or tap the button in the app.